Today I'm going to be reviewing e.l.f.'s new collection. I already moisturized my face off camera, and I also did my brows off camera as well. So first up, we're going to be going in this new primer glow oil. That's what it looks like. This is their Retro Paradise collection that they came out with for summertime. This is gonna be my primer. It does kind of have like a fruity scent to it, so this is definitely oily. I don't know how do you see how like oily that is? I don't know if I like how oily it is. Like, I've used other serums, but this like look at my so it did seem to have set. Oh, by the way, on the back of this it also says that you can also mix this in with the foundation as well to get a glowy result, so you don't have to rub it into your face. I'm going to go in with Maybelline's Dream Urban Cover Foundation, and this is in 120. By the way, if you couldn't tell, I am a little bit sunburnt on my face. Don't mind that. And then if you haven't tried this foundation, I highly recommend it because this is a really, really good one. This foundation is easily one of my top favorites just because look how natural this is. It looks really natural and good on the skin. I've never had a bad like face makeup type day whenever I use this foundation. I like that you can only put a little bit on for like light coverage and still look good, and you can also build it up. Next up, I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. My face does look pretty oily, which I don't really like. I do like a dew and a glow, but I don't always set my face, but it looks like I'm going to have to. Or maybe next time I use this oil, I won't go in with it all over my face because I have really severely dry skin to the point where sometimes like my skin just starts flaking, and this is almost too oily for my skin. So I don't think I'm going to use this during the summertime, but I think I am definitely going to save it for the winter months when my face is at its worst. Up next for blush, I'm going to be going in again with this e.l.f. Soft Peach Blush. I believe this can only be found at Target and of course on e.l.f.'s website, but I've never seen it on Ulta. And I don't even think I've seen it in person at Target. I know it's for sure online at Target. Up next, I'm going to be going in with this very old Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. So this is what it looks like. And then I'm going to be going in with this powder side. And then I'm also going to be going in with this bronzer side. Next up from this collection, I'm going to be going in with their multi-dimensional face and body shimmer. And then this is in the shade Soul. So they did have a lighter shade, but it looked like a straight up white. So this is the darker shade of the two. So this is what the outside of the packaging looks like. When you open it up, it looks like this. So it looks to have like this pink shift to it. So you can really see the pink right here. So this is a little dry. I'm more into like a creamy type highlighter, but this is like this is like a really dry formula. Next up, we're gonna prime our eyelids, and we're gonna use this NYX eyeshadow base in the shade Skin Tone. We're going to go in and use their new Retro Paradise eyeshadow palette. So this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. So I'm really interested in playing like with like these shades right here. So the first color that I'm going to go in with is actually going to be Fuego, which is this one right here. Next shade that I'm going to be going in with is Caliente, which is this one right here. So first I'm going to pack this actually on, the outer part of my eye first. And then I'm going to blend it. And then just bring it, the leftover on my brush, bring it in. Add Fuego. Up next, I'm going to take the shade called Sip Sip, which is this one right here. I just want to see what it looks like without anything sprayed on. Spray my brush with this Evian water. So that definitely helped. Okay, let me zoom you in. And next up, I'm going to be going in with that green shade, which is called Baha Mar. This isn't as bright as a shade as I thought it was going to be. I feel like if I had a green eyeliner to match this, it'll make it pop more though. So I think this is as much as I'm just gonna be able to get it to pop. I do think I'm gonna want to play with this palette again just because there's so many other colors I want to play with in here. I want to be able to test out all the other shades. Now I'm going to be going in with my Lash Princess. And I think this look would look really pretty with some lashes. I'm not gonna put on lashes. I mean, I think it looks fine without. And then almost done with the eyes. In the inner corner, I'm going to be going in with the shade called Sea Salt. Not a big fan of this Sea Salt shade because it's like super chunky and dry. So next up, I got some of their lip products, which they also launched. So they launched these Dream On lip glosses. So these are the two shades that I got. They came out with a clear one that had sparkles in it, and then they also came out with like a blue tinted one. So I got the Tropical Fruit Punch and the Strawberry one. So it's the strawberry, this is a Tropical Fruit Punch, and then the one that's clear that came with like the sparkles in it, it came in this kit, which I also picked up. And this is their Line and Shine lip kit. So this comes with 4 lip liners and also that lip gloss I was talking about. So this more nude one that's right here, this one right here. So this one is a soft nude pink, and then the one next to it right here is a nude beige, and then this darker one right there is a brown lip liner, and this is the fuchsia lip liner, and then this lip gloss right here so this lip gloss is the Dream On lip gloss. The shade name is In a Moment. These are the swatches. So this is the nude pink one, this is the soft beige, this is the brown, and this is the fuchsia. So I think I'm going to use the fuchsia in another video. And then I can see myself using this one with the dark lip in the fall time, as well as this one. So I'm going to use this soft pink one today. Oh, and then before I move on, let me show you as well some swatches of these lip glosses. So here are the lip glosses. This one is the Tropical Fruit Punch one. This is like more of a pinky one. I mean, they're both pretty pinky. So this is Tropical Fruit Punch, this is Strawberry, and then this one is In a Moment. These smell really good. So I think I'm gonna go in with the strawberry one. These are pretty sheer, so like you can wear them over a lipstick, over just an eyeliner, or you can even wear them alone on your lips. I don't know if this is limited edition or permanent, but hopefully they keep these lip liners because these are really, really creamy. So this is the nude one. Wow, this is a really pretty color. I want to try a little bit of that beigey one. So I just put a little bit of this one, just outlined it a little bit, and then put it on the very outer part. As you can see, the brighter pink, which is this one, is the Tropical Fruit Punch, and then this one is the strawberry. So I think I'm actually going to go with the Fruit Punch one. So that's what it looks like. I'm kind of getting deja vu over the scents of these. I can't think of right now what it reminds me of. Lastly, what I got from e.l.f. is I got their new Glow Up Body Oil. So I got the lightest shade. There's only 2 shades. There's this one and a darker one. This one is in the shade called Sunkissed. They also came out with a body brush. So I think I'm just going to put this on my shoulders right here. I'm going to put this on the shoulder. Oh. Oh my god, this smells really good. Little glow moment. Okay. This is so pretty. Might as well put this face and body highlighter. Just right there in my collarbone. Let me zoom in on the eyes. So this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. I'm going to link all the prices down below along with the links of all of these products, and this is, I believe, only sold on e.l.f.'s website. I'm not sure if it's coming to Ulta, Walmart, or Target just yet, but I'm really overall satisfied with everything. The only thing I can think of that I'm not as satisfied really is this oil. The lip gloss, I love. These eyeliners or lip liners I really love, and I hope they keep these permanent. And the eyeshadow palette was alright. I want to play with it a little bit more, but this is really beautiful. This I feel like I can do without the highlighter because it's very dry, almost kind of like flaky. So this I can do without, along with this, but I mean, they're not bad. It's just I wouldn't miss them. Like if I lost them or I gave them away, I wouldn't really care. But the glosses, lip liners, I really love this brush as well, along with this and the eyeshadow palette. So I think I overall really liked everything. Make sure to subscribe and like, and tell me if you're interested in getting these things as well. And again, I am going to test out this eyeshadow palette more in future videos. Bye!